Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Joshua from HTML with Joshua, and today we are back. Last time we did a text editor in 2021. What is the best text editor according to me, which I like for web development? This time we're back in 2022. It's a new year, and we are going to be looking at the top 8 for text editors that is very good according to me in 2022. So let's just get into today's video. So first of all, the top 8 text editor what I think for web development for Java, which I think is very good, is BlueJay. So BlueJay is basically as it's written, it's a free Java development environment designed for beginners. So what it says designed for beginners, I'm just explaining this a bit more. Here, what it does is that usually you can go over here and see the images. Usually you should like code in all these things before you do, but this like it's so easy for beginners because of job BlueJay. What they do is like you can just click on one button and it will create a new class. Yeah, you can click on this new class button and then you'll be able to create a new class over here, and you just need to go inside the new class, open it, and just need to type out the class that you need, and that is very simple. So that's pretty cool, and you don't need to type too much and you don't need to remember too much because BlueJay backs it up. So that's my number 8, the number 8 or number like the number top 8 text editor that I think is good for web development, like, or more specifically that's good for Java. Top 7 over here, we have the NetBeans, which is new by Apache, and this I put it on top 7, and uh, this have been going to this is the 13th version of it. So what this is actually a very easy and fun way to do coding in. The environment which they set in is very good, and you can also learn and also participate in coding requests, and you can also join the NetCAT program, which you can participate in, and for like web developers, which is very cool. And you can also learn there, like learn Java and PHP and more tutorials with the foundation itself. Next, moving on, we have Sublime Text, which I personally have been using for a long time, and I don't feel anything. It's like so smooth, and it like debug stuff, and it's pretty cool according to me. So what this is like a simple, and the environment itself is so good, and it also has a good file management type. So like as you can see over here in the image, you can see like the folders, and it's having a good file management. So that's why I expect to put this in number 6. Moving on, we have Atom. Atom is actually a very old one. Now the latest version in 2022 is 1.60.0, and this is actually very sick according to me. So you can like download it, and it's very good for and good and smooth for learning Python for web development. You can do like Java, HTML. It's very smooth, and it's the environment of Atoms is like the best I know. So it's like having like a fun environment that you'll never get bored on coding in, and that's why I like Java, and I put it in number 6. Moving on, we have Eclipse by the Eclipse Foundation. So I put this in number 4 because yeah, this was number 5. Sorry, this I put in number 4 just because this thing is amazing. The environment is amazing, and what I like this personally is the SDVs, and also you can like join their community and interact, and you can like have doubts, you can learn there properly. And also this is a new thing which I'm finding into the Eclipse Foundation, and the Eclipse text editor have been very competitive in the IDE, the IDE nation. Like Eclipse is actually one of like, I feel like it's one of the best text editor IDE that's there for web development and also for normal developers. Next, moving on, we have JetBrains, and this is in the top three. JetBrains is uh, like having a lot of tool. It's like a foundation which makes a lot of tool, and you can like use it for web development, software development, and also for AI technologies. I like this. Like you can, there's like a lot of tools that you can use for web development, especially what I would recommend for using in the JetBrains is the Intel J and the WebStorm. So these both are basically the web development uh, IDEs that's there in JetBrains. And all the other things like PyCharm, PHP Storm are all also a very good IDE IDE for learning Python and PHP. Moving on, we have brackets. So brackets is a very modern type of IDE which help us to like learn by fun. And what I like personally about brackets is the you can like view like the same thing. You can like view the what do you say, the result without going to the like the web, like Google or something. You can view it on the same page. And also what I like is their file management. Their file management is absolutely phenomenal. And yeah, the favorite part is that you can view like the output of the result that you have given at the same time that you're coding. So I like that the most things. And top one, which I think is the best text editor which I use right now, I used to use in the past, is Visual Studio Code. So VS Code has been like a top IDE for most of the time, I believe. And this, even I like it. It almost supports everything. You can like search for things that you want to add, like Python, Pygame, everything you can add and import the function into your IDE without installing from outside. You already have like a extension management marketplace, and you can like use that for many purposes, like according to what you're doing. Even it's very smooth for web development, and that's like one my top one, like top one, like the best IDE like I know. And it's also very good for game development. Unity game engine also supports the Visual Studio Code. And yeah, I like it very good. Also, if you like have and you make some mistake in the thing, like when you're coding, you can like debug it, and it'll show you like where the error is, and you can like rewrite it, and that's like phenomenal. I like Visual Studio Code the best, and it also supports basically all programming languages. And if you like want to fit to a environment, like a particular environment that you like in this, like if you're like more of a dark, or you're like a more of a light, or you're more like of a natural guy, it's having all the themes that you ask for. And also you can also say like the icons, it's very good for coding in. You don't need to actually scroll. So I will show you like in the corner you can like see like there's a small other corner that you can like scroll on instead of scrolling like alone. I'll, that's a cool feature of Visual Studio Code, and like, that's the top one. And this is my top 8 list of the best programming IDE of 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video, and all these 8 IDE, the link will be down in the description, and you'll be able to download it very easily. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you learned something new and it was informational for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and please click the subscribe button. Next goal is 200 subs, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the other video, the next video. Just click on a video that's popping up on the screen, and bye.